Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful cities in Malaysia are? Well, you're about to find out. Malaysia, a melting pot of cultures, a tapestry of stunning landscapes, and a hub of bustling city life, is home to some of the most breathtaking cities in the world. From coast to coast, Malaysia offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, of relaxation and adventure, of food and fashion. It's a place where skyscrapers stand tall against the backdrop of lush green mountains, where street food stalls line the highways, where ancient temples coexist with trendy cafes. This video is your ticket to explore the top 10 most beautiful cities in Malaysia. From the tranquility of Kota Bharu, the charm of Ipoh, the vibrancy of Kuching to the rich history of Malacca City and beyond, every city has a different story to tell, a different world to offer. So prepare yourself as we count down the top 10 most beautiful cities in Malaysia. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have Kota Bharu. This vibrant city on the northeastern coast of peninsular Malaysia is a treasure trove of culture, history, and culinary delights. Kota Bharu's rich cultural heritage is evident in its well-preserved traditional architecture, including majestic palaces and mosques. The city's bustling markets, such as the famous City Khadijah Market, are a sensory feast teeming with a variety of local produce, textiles, and handicrafts. The cuisine here is a gastronomic adventure with local delicacies that reflect the city's Malay, Chinese, and Thai influences. One of the city's most notable landmarks is the Kelantan Silver Jubilee Clock Tower, an elegant four-faced timepiece that has been ticking since 1938. This tower stands as a testament to Kota Bharu's historical richness, adding a touch of timeless charm to the city's skyline. Kota Bharu, a city that beautifully blends the old and the new. At number 9, we find ourselves in Ipoh. This city, located in the state of Perak, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Known as the City of Millionaires, Ipoh is proud of its serene limestone caves that are a sight to behold. They create a tranquil backdrop that contrasts with the city's vibrant life. The city is also rich in colonial architecture, a testament to its past. Walking through its streets is like taking a step back in time, each building telling a story of the city's vibrant history. In recent years, Ipoh has seen a surge in its cafe culture. Trendy coffee shops and eateries are popping up around every corner, offering a mix of traditional and modern cuisine. These establishments serve as communal spaces where locals and visitors alike can enjoy good food and company. Ipoh, a city that offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle. Now let's move on to number 8. Coming in at number 8 is Kuching. Known as the Cat City, Kuching is a treasure trove of unique cat statues that add a whimsical charm to the cityscape. These feline figures, each with its own significance, are sure to capture your imagination and bring a smile to your face. But there's more to Kuching than just its playful cats. The city is nestled against the Sarawak River, a serene and majestic waterway that offers a tranquil respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Traditional sampans gently glide along the river, providing a picturesque view that is both calming and captivating. And when it comes to vibrant city life, the Kuching waterfront is the place to be. This lively promenade is teeming with cafes, restaurants, and shops, offering a taste of Kuching's rich culture and bustling social scene. Kuching, a city that is a perfect blend of nature and urban life. Number 7 on our list is Malacca City. This city is a treasure trove of history, a melting pot of cultures that have left indelible marks through the ages. From the Sultanate of Malacca to Portuguese, Dutch, and British rule, each era has contributed to the rich tapestry that is Malacca City today. Here you'll find the iconic Christ Church, a testament to Dutch architectural prowess. Its red brick exterior stands out against the blue of the sky, embodying the resilience and beauty of this city. Every detail, from the handmade pews to the ancient tombstones, whisper tales of bygone times. But Malacca City isn't just about history. It's also a place of vibrant life, especially at the Yonker Street night market. When the sun sets, this street transforms into a bustling hub of activity filled with mouth-watering local delicacies, unique trinkets, and lively performances. Malacca City, a city where history comes to life. Halfway through our list at number 6, we arrive at Penang. Penang is not just a city, it's a canvas. A canvas where street art comes alive, telling tales of the city's vibrant history and culture, capturing the heart and soul of those who pass by. But the city's allure does not stop there. Ascend the famous Penang Hill, where the panoramic views of the metropolis below will leave you breathless. The hill's cool, fresh air is a perfect retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. And let's not forget the food. Oh, the food. Penang is a gastronomic paradise. With a diverse food culture influenced by a mix of Chinese, Indian, and Malay cuisines, every corner of Penang offers a unique culinary journey. From street-side hawker stalls to high-end restaurants, the city is a smorgasbord of flavors waiting to be discovered. Penang, a city that is a feast for the senses. At number 5, we have Putrajaya. This city is a breathtaking marvel of modern architecture, where sleek, futuristic buildings rise towards the sky, creating a stunning silhouette against the horizon. Each structure is a testament to Malaysia's architectural prowess, showcasing a seamless blend of aesthetics and functionality. Now imagine a vast body of water, tranquil and serene, nestled amidst this urban landscape. That's Putrajaya Lake for you. A sanctuary of calm in the heart of the city, the lake is a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike to unwind and soak in the picturesque views. And then, there's the Grand Putra Mosque. This magnificent edifice, with its rose-tinted granite and towering minaret, is a sight to behold. It's not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the city's rich cultural heritage and spiritual ethos. Putrajaya, a city that is a vision of the future. Number 4 on our list is the beautiful island of Langkawi. Enveloped by azure seas and emerald jungles, Langkawi is a jewel in the crown of Malaysia. Its stunning beaches, kissed by the sun and lapped by the gentle waves, offer an idyllic retreat. Can't get enough of the natural beauty? Ascend to the famous Sky Bridge. Suspended at 700 meters above sea level, it presents a panoramic view of the lush rainforest and the sparkling turquoise waters, an experience that will leave you breathless. As the sun sets, the city transforms. The bustling night markets come alive, brimming with local delicacies, unique crafts, and vibrant energy. The tantalizing aroma of street food fills the air, while the lively chatter and laughter echo through the night. In Langkawi, every moment is an adventure, every corner a discovery, and every experience a memory. Langkawi, a city that is a tropical paradise. Coming in at number 3 is Johor Bahru. This city is a delightful fusion of the old and the new, a spectacle that seamlessly blends the past and the present. One of the key highlights of Johor Bahru is its modern shopping malls, each one a paradise for fashion enthusiasts and food lovers alike. These bustling hubs of activity are a testament to the city's contemporary vibe and its affinity for the latest trends. Yet, Johor Bahru is also deeply rooted in history. The Sultan Abu Bakar State Mosque, a majestic piece of architectural brilliance, stands as a proud symbol of the city's rich heritage. Its stunning design and serene ambiance offer a tranquil retreat amid the city's hustle and bustle. As the sun sets, Johor Bahru transforms into a vibrant spectacle of lights, sounds, and aromas with its lively night markets. These markets are a hotbed of local cuisine and crafts, offering a unique glimpse into the city's culture. Johor Bahru, a city that offers a bit of everything. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is Kota Kinabalu. This coastal city is a tropical paradise, cradling the South China Sea on one side and the magnificent Mount Kinabalu on the other. Here, nature puts on a show like no other, painting the skies with hues of orange and pink as the sun sets every evening. It's a spectacle that never gets old. Moving from the tranquil beauty of the sea and mountain, the city comes alive at night with its bustling markets. The streets are filled with life, lit up by rows upon rows of stalls selling everything from fresh local produce to handcrafted souvenirs. The tantalizing aroma of street food fills the air, promising a delicious culinary adventure. And then there's Mount Kinabalu, the city's namesake and its crowning glory. The majestic mountain stands tall over the city, its peak shrouded in mist, a sight that leaves you in awe of nature's grandeur. Kota Kinabalu, a city that takes your breath away. And finally, at number 1, we have Kuala Lumpur. A city that has beautifully blended the old with the new, tradition with modernity. It's impossible to miss the iconic Petronas Twin Towers, standing tall and proud, an emblem of the city's rapid advancement. But Kuala Lumpur is not just about towering skyscrapers. It's a city that lives and breathes on its streets. The bustling street markets are a sensory overload, filled with vibrant colors, sounds, and enticing smells. From souvenirs to local delicacies, there's always something new to discover. And speaking of delicacies, the food culture here is as diverse as it is delicious. Influenced by Malay, Chinese, and Indian cuisines, the dishes are a gastronomic adventure in themselves. Whether you're a fan of spicy street food or fine dining, Kuala Lumpur has it all. This city is truly a feast for the senses. Kuala Lumpur, the jewel of Malaysia.